So here is the item that I bought for my car charger. You could probably hear the fan. It's super loud. As soon as I plug something in and it starts charging, it goes even louder. Definitely probably wouldn't recommend this product because of the noise level, and it's super huge. I thought it would be smaller. If I take it out, it's about 6 inches long. This is like really big. It's like the size of the palm of my hand. It's pretty big. I've seen smaller ones that are like this big, maybe like shorter, but it's pretty thick. It's really big. Wouldn't recommend it. Wish I could get a refund.